All right. Ooh, it's chilly out here today. So what am I doing? What am I doing? Well, I got myself something. Some grab handles. All right, so the first thing you got to do is you got to get these bolts out, right? This one, and then there's one right here. Yeah, there we go. Half inch. You want to make sure you don't smack the windshield, and you want to make sure you don't drop the bolt down in there. Oh yeah, got it. And boom. All right, the next thing you got to do is figure out which one you got. So if you look at these, there's an indentation on there, and there's an indentation on there. The way this works, one long, one short, and then you got a couple spacers. The long one's going to go in the side like that, and then the short one is going to go up top. To get these things started is not easy. It's not easy. I found it's easier to start the top and get that one going because the angles are really strange. This one went a lot smoother than the other side. Starting this one, getting it almost all the way tight, and you still have the ability to kind of swing this around and put the spacer in and then get your screw started. But man, that baby's not going anywhere.